Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I do really hope you are able to stay. So my dear, today I'm taking you along this very delicious awaakye. You are simply going to love this, so come on in and let's begin. But before that, please hit on the notification bell, like this video, and let's be friends. I have been soaking up my waakye leaves in water for about 20 minutes with hot water. So I'll add a bit more to it and then add my beans. The proportion of the beans and rice is very important if you want to achieve a really delicious awaakye. So I'll leave all the measurement in the description box for you. Once the beans was added, I went ahead and added a little bit of bicarbonate of soda, or a soghum as it is called in Ghana. Once the beans are cooked, go ahead and remove all the leaves and then add in some coconut oil. Next, I'm going to add some coconut powder. We want to really achieve a delicious awaakye that you can easily even eat it on its own without any stew. That was my target. So after the coconut powder, a little bit of thyme, and if you have not added thyme to your awaakye before, please try this. The next time you cook awaakye, you are simply going to love it. Next, I'll add some onion powder as well as all-purpose seasoning. I never make awaakye without all-purpose seasoning. It does the trick. Now everything is ready. The beans is rich in taste and flavor, and you know at this stage that you are cooking something delicious. I'll go ahead and add my washed up rice at this stage. Stir everything together, add a little bit of water if needed until it loosens up. And before we cover it, I will leave some coconut oil on top to melt through the rice whilst it is cooking. Like I said, awaakye we ope kra obe tete edisa emu eye say de. After some time, I came back and I gave everything a good stir. Now, if you are not happy with the texture, you can always sprinkle with a little bit of water until you are happy. Cover it again, and when you come back, the smell, the taste, the texture, everything about the awaakye will just be so beautiful. At this, look, it is so good. Everyone that ate this awaakye really complimented it. Awaakye na aye kama say, and I'm so happy I've been able to share with you Ghana's local favorite ampa. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.